Hey guys, welcome back to Grace Harrison's channel, and Chad Harrison, but Grace Harrison's channel. So today we are going to be looking at the most satisfying slimes, and we're just gonna test them out, basically. So let's go. Okay, here we go. Just gotta set you guys up, so be ready. Alright, here we go. So you're gonna really love these. I mean, since I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers do this, I think it's gonna be pretty cool. So, yeah. Here we go. So, let's set you up like that. Of course, you want to set you up like that. Okay. Here we go. This is gonna work. Oh, it's okay. We can just do it this way. Okay, so let's do it. Let me go to the satisfying slimes in the world. We're not gonna do basically the satisfying slimes. I mean, you can do basically satisfying slimes, but I'll do something way cooler. You just like to fall, huh? You like to fall a lot. Probably not gonna stay there, but it's okay. Turn this thing on, and we're gonna watch the most satisfying slime ever. We need the chrome to come on. Yes, the chrome came on. Okay, we gotta do this fast. A N N I E 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6. Of course, Lizzie will be seeing this video, so sorry, Lizzie, but I'm using your laptop. I had to use it for this. Please. I'm so scared. She's probably gonna kill me. Well, she'll be seeing this, so. Okay, we gotta do this quick, but not too quick, because I know my fans want this. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys, so let's get ready to watch some satisfying slime videos. Okay, here we go. Yeah. It's crazy. Okay, let's do this. Okay.
If you don't post a dancing boomerang on your trip, why the f are you even on vacation?
Okay. Are you ready for the biggest summer ever? Go big with Altice One.
Now, oh my gosh, there's so many ads.
$64.99 a month for the first year. That's up to 200 meg internet, 4K.
Okay, here we go. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that how do they, I don't get it, because how do they make it like formed as a grape? I don't get it. Oh wow. Oh, okay. Oh. And then it just turns so crunchy and oh my god, that's so amazing. But I think it takes a lot of work to like get it to the shape it's supposed to be, because that grape, how does it turn into a perfect little grape? Like, oh my god. And the sound is amazing. Oh my god. That's amazing. Oh my god. And oh my gosh. Stop right there. What the heck? That is beautiful. Beautiful. How do they make it so pretty? It's freaking so satisfying. Oh my god. Is that no. happy face. Oh, it seems like so pretty. Then when they do it, like, I could literally fall asleep listening to this. Literally. Yeah. I could literally just fall asleep listening to this. Oh, there's all blue and pretty. It looks like the ocean blue. It's really pretty blue. Oh, don't you dare. Okay, so he's opening a bag of slime. Whoa, what the? What the heck? Okay, so he's opening a bag of slime, then like a bubble. You guys have to be commenting down below. This is beautiful. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Like, come on. Isn't that beautiful? You have to say it. And it looks like a galaxy slime, actually. Okay. Okay. Ooh. What? Whoa! So basically, you can see it's like an orangish color. Then when you squeeze it out, it turns pink. Then when you put it back in the slime, it's orange again. How did they do that? I don't get that. I don't get that one, but it's definitely satisfying. Ooh. Ooh. I just keep doing it over and over again. That's what I would do. That kind of looks like popsicle that I got. It's like blue, red, and white at the bottom. That literally looks like the one, but it doesn't have any red. Red should be like right here at least. Like, oh my gosh, beautiful, beautiful indeed. Oh, I have to turn this up. Is it up? Cause like, and then look at the bottom. The bottom. Oh my god, it is! Look, oh, there was just no white. Oh my gosh. So pretty. And then when they turn it around, it looks more prettier! Give it to me. Oh no. They're cutting. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. No. Stop it! No! Oh, it looks like, wait, no. I feel like they just put paper on it, but that dissolves. How does? I really don't get how they're doing this, but like, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm just gonna say it a lot of the times. It's beautiful. Way more beautiful. Bootsy-ful. Beautiful. Just so beautiful. I love it. If you guys don't, I'm gonna haunt you. Just kidding. But, oh my god. Oh, and how is it? Ah! Okay, now that looks more of a galaxy slime. Whoa, it's like a perfect pancake. It looks like a perfect pancake too.
If you don't take a
and
picture
you see all
of your head,
you see all the holes. You see all the holes. I love that. I can't with that. It's so pretty. I just can't. It's so pretty. I just can't, guys. I can't.
You already have a stunning website.
It's so pretty.
Cool. You're welcome to
Skip these
skip
ads.
or create your site now at Wix.
Skip ads. Okay, keep going. Oh, like all the holes that were in there. No. Ooh, that is beaut. I'll say it more times. That is beautiful. Oh my god. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. You guys don't know what that means. Beautiful. Booty. It's beautiful. Let's go. Oh, that crunchy noise. No. Oh my god. Okay, cute little slime. Ooh. Eee. Oh, that's pretty. That's also pretty. Just look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. What? That was like a popsicle. That was in Chinese. I don't know what they're saying. Not Chinese-ikins. That's kind of weird, but it's okay. Ooh, oh! 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 I'm dying. Beautiful. Wait, no. Try it again. Beautiful. Oh my God. You see that right before your beautiful eyes. What the frick, man? Ah! So beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm not Chinese-ikin. Okay, stop. He's literally picking it up. Oh, then it really looks like there's Jello inside. Jello. A Jello. That's watery slime. That's a watery slime indeed. No. How do they do that? I don't get it. How to make perfecto. Just perfecto. Ooh. Look at that little lobster thingy right there. Do you see that? It's so cute. It's still there. Oh, another one. It's another one. Oh, I love that. Look at that. And let's see how many views it got. Oh my God, that's a lot of views. I only got 83 views on this one. Okay. How many thumbs up did it get? Oh, it got more than the thumbs down. Why would you say thumb down? It's beautiful. People are stupid. Wait, that was beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is our last one, guys. It was beautiful. I say beautiful because I mean it beautiful. Like, that's beautiful, guys. That's just beautiful. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I can't even upload video. Yeah?
You have my phone?
No.
Oh, I know where it is.
Select and upload. Oh, cool. Ooh. Okay, well, that was the most amazing time of my life. And if you guys weren't satisfied, I don't like you guys. You're my friends. Just kidding. I still like you, but a little bit disappointed and mad at you. But I still love you. Okay, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, because it's pretty awesome. And you'll probably subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And click that bell so you'll be notified whenever I do any more cool videos. And make sure to comment down below what was your favorite satisfying slime of the whole video. My favorite one was when they crunched that one down like no. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hope you had a good time. Make sure to definitely comment down below, because I think all of them were my favorite, but my favorite one was like just that. So yeah, love you guys. I'll see you later or tomorrow. I don't know. Bye. Bye now.